with an egg. Yeah, coffee. Oh, okay.
You like that?
Yeah, it's really
Yeah? You recommend?
Yeah.
All right, it's a go. What's up, YouTubers? We just got off from the Hanoi airport, I think so. Anyways, we spent 2 days with my family back in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, and now we're in Hanoi. It's getting late. We're kind of tired because we've been eating, drinking, and partying with her friend.
For my friend's birthday until like 3 a.m. and we slept 4 hours. I'm so tired. So I'm gonna give you guys a room tour of this Airbnb, and before we let you guys go, so it is a 1 bedroom. It's a full kitchen, so you have a fridge, the sink, the cooking stuff that we won't need, the dining room table. We're in actually in the Vin Homes building in Hanoi, so it looks really nice. Everything is very new, very modern. The security is great in the building, and you have the bedroom here.
Look at this, all white.
So we're on the 21st floor, and oh, there we go. Oh, you have a washing machine as well. You have to wash
Washing
clothes.
machine, we can wash our clothes, our dirty
Right
clothes.
here. And then this is the view.
Oh my god, this is so high, it looks super nice. Anyways guys, this is it for the moment, okay, because we're kind of exhausted. We're gonna go eat, and we see you guys tomorrow with more energy, and we're gonna show you guys around, okay? We see you guys just in a few. And we are back. We're currently in a restaurant which is the size of the shoebox, and we have this delicious soup. It's called bung yang. I'm not so sure. This is the first time I think I eat that. So you have some duck meat, some bamboo shoot. How do you call that? Yeah. Green onion. It's the base soup is with the duck, and you have some fresh noodle here, and what Jade's called black tofu, but in reality it's pork blood. Yeah.
It's so good. And we're just having a little breakfast before heading to the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. There's a huge lineup. Right now it's about, what, 8:30 in the morning? So they open at 8, but the lineup started at 7, and we already got a peek. It's a huge lineup to get in. So we better have a lot of energy waiting line.
So we just arrived at the mausoleum of Ho Chi Minh, and it's packed of people here.
Yeah,
there's a lot of people.
Lineup.
Yeah, guys, don't do like us. Just arrived very early.
Well, they have really strict opening hours. So on Tuesday they open at 7:30. I think we're Tuesday today, but check the hours before you come, because they are closed in the afternoon. So
Yeah.
it's only open in the morning.
And also you have to dress carefully. No, like.
Well, it's so cold. I don't think anybody's gonna be in a tank
Yeah,
top.
it's kind of cold, but no tank top, short, and
No mini skirts.
no camera inside the building.
You
And
have to be prepared for them to take away your camera and give it back to you.
Alright guys, we're back.
We got a camera back.
Yeah, we have to leave everything, my backpack, everything, and it's super strict again. Anyways, we just got out of the mausoleum, and now we're heading to...
Well, we're still in the mausoleum. It's just the part inside where the
where you
body
see
is exposed that you're not
Uncle
supposed
Ho
to
Chi Minh. Yeah, he's exposed inside.
So now we're outside. We're gonna visit where he used to live, I think, his house. And there's some old style Hanoi houses here, and there's also a museum.
So the second part, cameras allowed. call that? You know?
Bao.
What?
Bao.
No, that's in Chinese. In Vietnamese, bánh bao.
It's the same. Bao means buns in either Vietnamese or Chinese. So.
Cảm ơn cô á. Look, Jade.
You get 2 extra bananas.
It's always good to know a little bit of the hometown language, you know, when you travel. So why not teaching you guys some,
Because
you know?
he's Vietnamese.
Yeah,
so
since
we
we're
can
here.
actually do this. So we can learn one thing per day.
Okay, so
So
today,
let's start with hello.
yeah, why not? So hello in Vietnamese is xin chào. This is a formal way, more formal, you know, polite way, I would say.
It's always good to be polite.
Yeah, so xin chào. And just a quick way is chào bạn. It's like hello, my friend. That's it. Okay, chào bạn.
Write down below what you want us to teach us to say in Vietnamese in the comment section. I'm gonna try to make him say it.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So now we're heading to the museum part.
It's the last part of this
Yeah.
thing.
For those of you guys who don't know who's Ho Chi Minh or Bac Ho, he's one of the most important figure for the independence of Vietnam. That's why people pay tribute and come to visit
A
him
lot
here.
of mostly Vietnamese people.
Now we're heading to the.
Train street.
But before we head there, our thoughts about the mausoleum.
I liked it. I think it's really nice. It's very rich culturally. You do, if you stop and actually look at all the documents in the museum and everything, you can learn a lot.
Yeah, and if you are like me, you don't want to read everything and stuff like that.
Your guides.
Yeah, consider having a guide. I have Google. I have my girlfriend, so. Welcome to the Hanoi Train Street. This iconic place, it's famous for all Instagrammers. It's perfect for your pictures. It's super charming. It's a narrow street, and there's actually a real train that passes at this time. Well, not right now, but around 3.
Yeah, 3:30 and 7:30.
Yeah, p.m.
Comes twice a day.
Yeah.
And there are cafes on both sides of this train rail, and they're so charming. They have lots of colors and art in it and everything. It's actually not that easy because there are a lot of rocks on this.
Yeah, she's looking down
so
while
it's like-
talking and me holding the camera.
I'm
But
trying not to die at the same time.
I saw something very interesting is eggs coffee that I wanted to try since I got here.
Yeah, so let's go find one. I have one. Okay. So you want to have an egg coffee? So I Google what is egg coffee. So it is a drink that's made by beaten egg yolk with sugar and coffee, and then you extract the coffee into half the cup, and then you put half a cup of egg cream, which is the egg yolk that's been heated and whisked. That should be interesting.
Okay, I really want it now.
Yeah, I hear her beating it.
Oh wow, it tastes like a dessert.
It looks very foamy.
Yeah, it's foamy. The coffee make it bit bitter, but at the same time, the egg and the condensed milk give it, you know, a sweet taste to it. It's delicious. Oh wow.
And you're still lactose intolerant, right?
Oh, it's totally worth it. Don't worry.
So here we have a noodle soup with seafood, and we took everything included. So the special one I took with the large noodle because I like the flat noodles. I really like those. You have shrimp. Those are baby crab. So the baby crab that have been grinded, and that's called baby, but I think it's just like some kind of caviar that's been cooked because it's all like tiny fish eggs, I think. Look, it looks like eggs with some vegetables, Looks really good.
And what's the base soup? Do you know?
Well, it's a seafood soup, so I think it's seafood. It does taste like seafood. Enjoy!
Jade and I were wondering how come there's so many pigeons here.
And they're so fat.
Yeah, but we realize, see, the little box there, you pay about 10,000 dong and you can feed the pigeon.
And guess what we're gonna do?
Alright guys, this could be the stupidest idea I can have right now.
The one with all the colors, and it's all in terracotta, so it's all, you can see it's all hand done. It's so pretty. It's really nice.
Jade, could you give me a hand? Just unbuckle the rope there. Okay, have you guys ever seen 2 tons of sapphire in your life? Let me show it to you. This massive turtle.
Yeah, it weighs 2 tons and it's rough sapphire. Can you imagine? That's a lot of bling bling. At first I was like, why isn't there security around it? But then we were reading the information panel and it actually weighed 2 tons. I guess nobody can just take it and leave, right?
Alright, so this is it for this vlog for tonight. We're heading back home, go to the gym, and in the next one we're gonna show you guys some puppet show, like water puppet.
Apparently Hanoi has a famous water puppet show. I think it's actually here in Talong, but I'm not quite sure. I'll figure it out. And we're gonna try to find some yummy street food in Hanoi. So we'll see you guys there.
Yeah,
but in the
stay
meantime,
tuned.
Don't forget to click on the thumbs up button to support our travel vlogs. And you can leave in the comment section below everything you want Takyo to teach you in Vietnamese. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next vlog.
Bye guys.